Hello everyone, my name is Leah and I am back with another beautiful project. This time I have created photo folio with such a beautiful papers, and I will list all materials below in description box, so you will have all the papers that I've used for this folio listed below. Okay, so now let me explain you some things about the folio. This folio is made with 3 pages and they're really beautiful. So I added more flaps in these pages because I wanted to add more pictures in it. Alright, so now let me show you first the outside, what I did here, and then I will show you the inside. So here you can see on the cover there are like 2 frames, and these frames I made from molds, and then I used different colors and I painted them. And also here you can see these 2 elements. They're wooden elements from the collection that I used in this tutorial, actually on this project. And then as here you have 2 frames in different colors. I covered these frames with fabric, and also here are 3 mats in different sizes and different colors because I wanted to add more dimension to my cover. I like, dimensional stuff on a cover, so I don't like my covers only with paper, so I need, lots of drama on my covers. Not always, but usually. Okay, so here on the spine, nothing special, just 1 mat, and then here you can see this beautiful element. It's also from chipboard. No, actually it's not from chipboard, it's from wood. It's wooden embellishment, not chipboard. And here is the back cover, and I've never done this on my back cover before. I've never used like 3D element, actually like 3D frame. If I added if I matted the back cover with paper, that's all I've done, but never used like 3D elements, actually created like 3D frame, and I think it turned out great. And also I wanted like this beautiful image inside of this frame because I just love this image of a castle. All right, so this is the outside, and now I would like to show you the inside. Okay, so here is page 1, and quickly I will walk you through and explain you what I've done here. Oh, and I forgot to tell you that you can add easily between 43 and 45 photographs in the folio. You can add more of them, but some of the flaps I designed for only showcasing beautiful image or paper. They were not meant for adding photographs, but you can do so. Or yes, you can do so. There is no or, you can add more than 45 photographs inside. All right, so here I will explain you now what I've done here on page 1. So here is flap, and then you have pocket inside with, of course, this mat for photograph, and look at these beautiful gates, and you add your photograph between these gates and it will look so beautiful. I already tried and it really looks good. And here then you have this flap and it will open. I will explain you about all the spaces that I didn't have in mind for putting photographs. So here, as you can see, I will not add any photograph, but you can easily add a photo here or here or here, or even down here. So you will see all this like different spaces for photographs that you can still add. All right, so now here you have, as you can see, a lot of spaces for photograph, and then this turns to the side, and here you have, look at these flaps, and then all these flaps would then open also to the other side. And also here, look at that large paper. I didn't plan to have it for a photograph, just to showcase this beautiful paper. And so here you have still one more space photograph. And then here you have another flap. So here you have this side of the flaps, and now here on this side there are only 2 flaps. All right, so this is page 1, and now here I have page 2, and here on this page I created this pocket with photo mat inside. You can use this for journaling, or you can add, because you can see this paper has lines on it, but you can also add your photograph. All right, so then this pocket flips to the top, and then you have another pocket from the inside with another photo mat inside. And look at this beautiful image of the prince and the princess. I guess this is Sleeping Beauty if I'm not mistaken. So they look beautiful. And then this opens to the other side, and look at this beautiful papers. And here you open then everything to the left, and then you have here another space for photograph, and then you have another flap in here. And then on this side there are also 2 more flaps, and look at that, I like this prince here. So you open both these flaps, and look at that, these papers are really beautiful. All right, so this is page 2, and now let's go to page 3. Here you have, look at that, beautiful paper, so you can add like small photograph in here. And then you have 1 flap that would open to this side, and then here you have like smaller flap, and then on this side is another flap, and you have beautiful spread of flaps, so to add your photograph. And then both these flaps close, and then you then you flip them to the side, and then you have more spaces for photograph. So here you have another beautiful image, and you can add beautiful photograph up here. All right, and then here on this side 2 more flaps, and look at that beautiful paper, and you can add photograph in here. So really beautiful papers that make beautiful project. I'm so very happy with this project, and I think it's one of my best projects ever. So this is all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Yes, so I hope you enjoyed walking through this folio, and I hope you are inspired by this one and you will create one of your own. Thank you for watching, and I hope I will be back soon with another project. Yay!